Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some Valentine's Day gift ideas for him 2022. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so like I said in my intro, we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day gift guide for him. So let's just get right into it, okay? My first gift idea for him 2022 was actually sent to me by today's sponsor, Manscaped. So thank you so much, Manscaped, for sponsoring today's video. So ladies, get your man a grooming set. Personal hygiene is not just for the ladies, it's for everybody, okay? And you don't want to have a whack Valentine's Day because somebody don't know how to keep everything so fresh and so clean. So Manscaped is here to help. They sent over a few things. Actually, this is what they sent over. It just has a bunch of stuff that I'll go over, but I love the packaging. It says your balls will thank you. So this right here is like for personal hygiene, like down there. So they have a ball deodorant, a ball deodorant, a ball toner. This is some clippers right here. They sent over some clippers. Oh, this is the Lawnmower 4.0. So the clippers that they sent is actually the Lawnmower 4.0. This is it right here. And it just comes with a quick start guide. So my boyfriend actually wanted this. He was talking about this the other day. So they came in real clutch by sending this for me. A pair of boxers too. And then like the accessories for the clippers. I believe that they are, I believe it's like chargeable. Honestly, I think this is a good idea. I think it's a good idea to make sure everything is fresh and clean, okay? And it's not just for your balls, okay? They sent over some extra goodies. So they also sent over shampoo and conditioner and body wash. I will say that these both smell really great. I know because I accidentally spilt some. So those smell amazing, like for a man. It's not necessarily my scent, but that's definitely something I could get my boyfriend into. I definitely like that. They also sent over like a deodorant. Actually, let me pop this open. Let me see what this smells like. Oh, that smells good. That smells real good too. That's sexy, actually. That's real sexy. I like that. Okay, my boyfriend gonna be smelling real good, real good. And then like lip balm. I might not give my boyfriend this. This one might be mine. They also sent over the Weed Whacker, which is a electric nose and ear hair trimmer. Honestly, this is gonna come in handy. No, honestly, I know my boyfriend's gonna like this because I be talking smack about his nose hair. So he's definitely gonna use this. This definitely a great investment. It also came with this bag where you can store all of the items. I'm going to let my boyfriend keep this, even though I can use this to put my makeup, but I'm not gonna do that. And there is a newspaper. Manscaped got the packaging and advertising right, okay? Manscaped Daily News, we save balls, okay? The last thing I got from Manscaped is this Manscaped t-shirt right here. And it says, Manscaped, your balls will thank you. And it says the same thing, just bigger in the back. I actually really like this. So, baby, when you watch this video, you're not getting this shirt either. You could get like everything else besides like the lip balm and this t-shirt, because I'm keeping it for myself. It's a large. It's gonna be great for me, actually. Maybe I'll be nice and give this man his t-shirt. Should I? Let me know down in the comments if you think I should give this man this t-shirt. If you guys are interested in the Manscaped products, I do have a coupon code for you, so make sure you go to my description box and click the link in the description box so you can get 20% off and free shipping. So thank you so much, Manscaped, for sponsoring today's video. So my next gift idea is to get him hats. So whether it be like beanies or a snapback or fitted, you should kind of know your boyfriend's personal style to see which one he would like better. If he has like a favorite sports team, consider getting him like a snapback. Do guys like snapbacks? I don't know if guys like snapbacks, but consider getting him like a fitted of his like favorite sports team. And then if he already has fitteds in his wardrobe, check the brim of the fitted and it has like the little gold circle on it. That'll tell you what size fitted he wears. That's a little pro tip, so that you don't end up getting him a hat that's too small or too big. Snapbacks, you don't really have to worry about that because like they snap or whatever. I don't think guys wear snapbacks anymore, but if they do, you know, you don't have to worry about that. And beanies are, you know, they're stretchy, so you don't have to worry about that. It's really mostly like the fitted that you have to worry about, but just check the size on the brim of the hat. You would find that out. My next gift idea is to get him a watch or a watch subscription. So I actually did this maybe a year ago, maybe 2 years ago. JBW has some really great watches for men, or you can get him like a watch subscription so that he can keep receiving different watches. You don't have to go all out and get him like a Rolex or anything like that. You don't even have to get him an Apple Watch. If you have the money for an Apple Watch and he wants an Apple Watch, go ahead and pick him up one. But you could just get him like a regular watch, but like a nice sturdy one. Bulova, Seiko, and Citizen, those are like 3 top watch brands. You can definitely pick out a watch for your man. So my next gift idea is for the anime lovers. If your boyfriend watches anime and he does not have a Crunchyroll subscription, girl, get him that Crunchyroll subscription. He's going to absolutely love you. And then also, if you're an anime watcher too, you can watch, well, I mean, you're gonna be paying for the Crunchyroll subscription, so you can watch your animes with him. I know he would definitely appreciate it because Hulu, Netflix, YouTube, they do not have all the good animes on there. Crunchyroll definitely does, and like Funimation. So you can get him a Crunchyroll subscription or a Funimation subscription, and I know he would love it. If he's an anime lover, he would absolutely love the fact that you paid for his subscription. Get him like a year subscription if you can. Like if you could just do a year out in advance, go ahead and do that. So my next gift idea is to actually get him some sweats. Guys love sweats. I don't care who you are. I don't care where you're from. Guys love some sweats. They love sweatpants. They love sweatshirts. So go ahead, get him like a Nike sweat. I'm not saying get him Nike Tech. You could just get him a Nike sweatsuit. You can get him an Adidas sweatsuit, Under Armour, Puma, whatever brand he prefers. Go ahead and pick him out a really cute sweatsuit. You can get yourself one too and you guys can match. They have the woman's version of that sweatsuit and you guys can match, and I think it would be really, really cute. Like if you're in that like matching stage of your relationship, why not? So my next gift idea is going to be a gaming gift card. So if your boyfriend is into games, right? He probably spends money on getting stuff for the games, whether it is his PS5, his PS4, his Xbox One. I don't know what else they got. Their Nintendo DS, their Wii, I don't know, their Switch. Get him a gaming gift card so that he can buy his V-Bucks or, you know, whatever they buy on 2K or whatever his character needs to like level up in that game, because he's gonna spend money on that regardless. Especially if he is a gamer, he's gonna spend that money regardless. But I think he would really appreciate it if you thought beforehand, let me get him this video game gift card, and he could spend that money specifically towards his games. So my next gift idea is actually something that's a little different. It's get him some flowers, because I realized I think the only time men ever get flowers is when they die, which is very sad actually. You know, women get flowers all the time for like their birthdays, for anniversaries, Valentine's Day, just accomplishing things just to feel good. And I don't think men have something like that. Like, you know, men don't have like a flowers, you know, they don't just get flowers just because, you know, they're having a rough day or we want them to feel special. So for Valentine's Day, you know, cook him a nice meal and give him some flowers. Now, I don't know if you want to get him roses or orchids or something like that, but I can guarantee you he's never gotten flowers before in his entire life. So my next gift idea is to get your boyfriend some jewelry, specifically a chain, whether it just be like a gold chain, kind of like a Cuban, or dog tags or anything like that. Maybe even, I don't think guys wear like name plates. I don't think guys wear nameplates, but you know, if you want to get something personalized, if you want to put like your anniversary date on it, if you want to put your initial on it, I'm pretty sure he would be stoked. Why did I say the word stoked? I'm pretty sure he would be hyped to rock something like that. He'd be like, yeah, I'm repping my baby, you know, she care about me, she keep me iced out, she keep me drippy, you know? And if it's real gold, it's definitely something he will wear all the time and probably never take off, because I know my boyfriend never takes off his chains. Once they're on, and that's it. Like, so my next gift idea, if you don't know what to get your boyfriend, is like a nice wallet. So it could just be like a nice leather wallet, something very practical, something that he is going to use. You can even go ahead and get him like an RFID wallet, which is like, it protects your credit card information, because you know some people be out here hacking and whatnot. So that would protect his credit card information and any other sensitive information that he might have in his wallet. I think that is something that every man should have a good, like, sturdy wallet, not like a little beat up wallet or like a tiny card holder. I don't know, men carry a lot of things in their wallets. I never see a man carry like a card holder. I've seen men carry wallets and they're like hefty. So if you see that your boyfriend or your husband has like a beat up wallet and like it has a hole in it from where it's folded and stuff like that, just get him a new wallet. It doesn't have to be designer, but if you have the money for it, go ahead, get him like a Gucci wallet or something like that. He might love that, actually. My next gift idea, I'm not quite sure, but I wrote down a customized blanket. I do think there is a website where you can get like pictures made into blankets, so I think that's what I was talking about when I wrote that down. So a customized blanket, it could be a photo of you two, it could be a photo of you. I just think it's a really cute personalized gift to have, or you can do like your photo and your anniversary date and his name or something like that. Like I think you could spice up the different pictures on the wallet, and it would be kind of like going to sleep with you every day if he doesn't get to do that. Like it'll be like going to bed with you and waking up with you every day. If he doesn't get to do that already, it'll be like, you know, sort of kind of like you're there. When he misses you, he can just snuggle up with his blanket. And my last gift idea for him at Valentine's Day 2022 is going to be a docking station. So if you don't know what a docking station is, it is basically where you can like put your phone, your AirPods, your watch, your keys, your wallet, all of that stuff like on your bedside table. And I believe most of them do have places where you can like charge your iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you can charge your Apple Watch if you have an Apple Watch, and it will just keep all of his day-to-day things organized and in a specific place, because I know sometimes guys just have their stuff all over the damn place. Just like my boyfriend's the worst when it comes to that, to be honest. But this will help keep it organized. He knows where all of his stuff is, and it'll be charged and ready to go when he is. So if you're trying to get your boyfriend to be just a tad bit more organized, pick him up that docking station. So pick him up that docking station that you can help organize for him, put it on the side of his bed, and start getting his life together, okay? Start getting his life together. So that is it for today's video. If you guys are looking for more of a DIY gift guide, I do have a video like that as well. So I will put that up in the cards and down in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up to let YouTube know that you like this video and to let me know that you like this video as well. Leave a comment down below. What are you getting your boyfriend for Valentine's Day? If you're not really sure, I have a bunch of gift guides for you, so check out the description box, okay? If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a